Which is the best line in linear regression? In linear regression, the best line is the one that best fits the data points, minimizing the discrepancy between the observed values and the values predicted by the line. This line is known as the line of best fit or the regression line. Criteria for the best line: 1. Minimizing the sum of squared errors, SSE. The best line in linear regression minimizes the sum of squared errors, SSE, also known as the residual sum of squares. Error: residual, the difference between the observed value and the predicted value, sum of squared errors, SSE. By minimizing SSE, the regression line ensures the smallest possible discrepancies between the observed data and the predicted values. 2. Ordinary least squares, OLS, method. The ordinary least squares, OLS, method is the most commonly used technique to find the best fit line. OLS minimizes the SSE to determine the coefficients that define the best line. R-squared, coefficient of determination. R-squared is a statistical measure that indicates how well the regression line fits the data. An R-squared value closer to 1 indicates a better fit, meaning the line explains a large portion of the variance in the dependent variable. Steps to determine the best line: 1. Collect and prepare data. Gather the data relevant to the problem. Clean and preprocess the data to handle missing values and outliers. To fit the model using OLS, apply the ordinary least squares method to estimate the coefficients. This involves solving for beta-beta values that minimize the SSE. 3. Evaluate the model. Calculate the SSE and R-squared values to assess the model's performance. A lower SSE and a higher R-squared value indicate a better fit. 4. Validate the model. Use cross-validation techniques to ensure the model generalizes well to new data. Split the data into training and testing sets to evaluate the model's predictive performance. Visualization of the best line. 1. Scatter plot. Plot the observed data points on a graph. The independent variable is on the x-axis, and the dependent variable is on the y-axis. To regression line, draw the best fit line that minimizes the SSE. The line should pass through the data points in a way that balances the discrepancies on either side. 3. Residual plot. Plot the residuals, errors, to visualize the differences between observed and predicted values. Ideally, the residuals should be randomly distributed around 0, indicating a good fit. Applications of the best line in linear regression. 1. Predictive analysis. Use the regression line to make predictions about future outcomes based on new data. 2. Trend analysis. Identify and analyze trends over time, such as sales growth or decline. 3. Impact assessment. Determine the impact of independent variables on the dependent variable, such as the effect of advertising spend on sales. Conclusion: the best line in linear regression is the one that minimizes the sum of squared errors, SSE, and provides the highest R-squared value. By using the ordinary least squares, OLS, method, we can determine the optimal coefficients that define this line. This best fit line allows us to make accurate predictions, understand relationships between variables, and perform effective trend analysis.